3D is not yet for everyone, not yet for all teams. However, more and more it is mandatory for everyone to work in 3D. So with Samp, we offer a hybrid approach where it's possible to connect single line diagrams with a 3D, which allows all teams to work in a shared context, to verify with each other that the interactions will work correctly. So it's possible to import in the scene entire systems, or even buildings or single equipment, like we are showing here in this small demonstration, and also to take care of the surrounding objects, cleaning up the scene on the fly as we are simulating the installation. And in case your partners and contractors do not have a model of the equipment to be installed or used on site, it's also possible to use typical shapes, so like rectangular boxes, a trapezoid to simulate trenches, or even cylinders to simulate either tanks or again the radius of a crane to work on the site.